We're at the Harmonic booth and we are talking to Tony Berthoud, Vice President of Sales at Asia Pacific and EMEA regions. Tony,
Very good to see you.
tell me, what are the products that you are showcasing out here?
All right, so we are addressing multi segment during the NAB 2026. We have area dedicated to production and playout, where we are showing what we do with Spectrum X Plus, our new generation of video server, doubling the density for the product, so helping our customer to deploy at a lower cost, both in terms of CapEx and OpEx. We are showcasing also cloud playout and playout to delivery solutions. So a lot of things around production and playout activities. Then second segment that we have is more related to the media processing, where we are showcasing a number of applications around video compression, new codec, how do we use artificial intelligence to improve video compression, save cost on CDN and on storage. And we are also showcasing a number of applications that can be deployed in a hybrid way, on-prem and in the cloud. So that's the second segment that we are addressing. And then we have a third segment more related to live streaming, with a number of things around live sports streaming. For example, low latency, the capability to do targeted advertising, but also the capability to do multi-view for advanced sports applications. So we have a number of demos here on the booth, again, from production and playout to the media processing and to the delivery for live streaming. So that's a very good question. So as I said, when you look at our Spectrum X Plus, right, the video server, what we are announcing here is that we are doubling the density. So definitely we are making them more compact. When we used to do 4 HD channel in a box, now we are doing 8. When we used to do 1 UHD channel in a box, now we are doing 2. And it's basically the same on XOS, which is our flagship media processing platform, where we are actually regularly improving the density of the product. Again, the objective is to help our customer to optimize their total cost of ownership when they buy the equipment, but also when they maintain the equipment. Lower power consumption, lower footprint in the data centers. So it's modular. I mean, a lot of our platforms are moving towards IP, but of course we do support the traditional baseband interfaces, HDI, HDSDI, 3G SDI, and actually it's modular depending on the application that you want to cover. You can go full IP or you can have hybrid application system. And that's true on the video servers as well as the encoder. That's definitely important. It's interesting. When we look at the visitors we have from Asia Pacific, we have the broadcasters and the content providers, channels. We have the operators, telecom operators, satellite operators, cable operators. But more and more we have also pure streamers. So new companies, sometimes greenfield, launching new applications in sports or direct to consumer with a new catalog of content. So it's quite exciting actually. When you look at Asia Pacific, we have actually a number of trends ongoing. So first of all, the migration from broadcast delivery to streaming. Both remain important, but a lot of investment are being made on how to optimize the streaming delivery. There is of course a lot of questions about how to optimize the cost of operation, the total cost of ownership. There are multiple ways to do it. I was mentioning improving the density before of the product, but also going hybrid, leveraging on-prem deployment and cloud to optimize the cost. And of course, using artificial intelligence and machine learning to optimize the workflows and overall distribute the workflow in a very economical way. So that's something really important. And security aspect, also a very important topic, both in terms of IT and network security, but also in terms of anti-piracy. I mean, piracy is a pain for the industry, and having solutions that help track the piracy, like watermarking as an example, and actually preventing the piracy or stopping the piracy when it's happening, is extremely important. So the topic around security is also a very key topic in Asia Pacific. Yes.